How to unarchive a workflow in n8n. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly unarchive any particular workflow in n8n. So for that, the first thing that we'll need to do is launch our n8n instance. And once you have launched your n8n instance, the second thing that we need to do is that we need to enable the setting which will show us all of the archived workflows. Then only we can unarchive them. So for that, click onto this filters button and click onto this toggle that says show archived workflows. Now you will see all of those workflows that you have archived as well as unarchived ones. So here you can see this archive tag. This means this particular workflow is archived. Simply click onto these three dots and from here choose unarchive. And now you can see that this particular workflow has been successfully unarchived in your n8n instance. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.